So I got pissed off because my phones didn't want to work. You know, I have an HTC and that stopped working too. So, and I had an LG before, an LG Volt, and it didn't want to work. So I came out here, took out some anger, threw it around, punched the screen. I got little cuts. They're barely visible though. They're not too bad though. But this is what's inside it, and I was amazed by what I saw. So first, there's this thing. All right, this goes behind the screen, and then there's this. This is what's in. This is what's. Here, I'll just show you what's left of this. This is all what's left. See? I mean, I cracked it open. I showing you what is exactly inside, and I wouldn't recommend doing this at all because there's so much glass involved, and you're gonna cut yourself. But that's pretty cool. Look at this little paper in there. I thought that was pretty cool. This paper. But I mean, that's basically it. I mean, then you got all the wires, the hard wires, all the stuff that goes on the inside. Here, let's see if I can. It's basically as far as I can get for right now. But man, yeah, that's it right there. That's all I can get to. But I mean, there's just shiny things right here. I mean, that's pretty cool. I didn't know all that was in there until I let out some anger and started cracking the hell out of this phone. Look at this. It's pretty cool. This thing right here. I don't know what this is, but whatever. It's all broken now. It's all gone. And that's what's inside.